In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your first 3D design in Tinkercad, step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. This is a great beginner-friendly tutorial because Tinkercad makes 3D design simple, fast, and easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open Tinkercad, create a new design, add shapes, resize them, combine them, and save your work properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Tinkercad in your browser and log in using your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up first. But once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your designs are stored. From here, look for the Create button, usually shown as +Create or Create New Design. Click that to open a fresh workspace. This is where your 3D model will be built. Once your new design opens, you'll see a clean work area with a grid. This grid is your digital build surface, and it helps you position objects accurately. On the right side, you'll find a list of basic shapes. To start your first design, simply drag a shape like a box onto the workspace. The box is one of the easiest shapes to begin with because it gives you a solid base to practice moving, resizing, and combining objects. After placing the shape, click on it to select it. You'll notice white handles appear around the edges and at the top. These handles let you resize the object. Drag the corner handles to make the shape bigger or smaller, and use the black cone handle to raise it higher or lower on the work plane. If you want to move the shape, just click and drag it to a new position on the grid. Take a moment to adjust it until it looks the way you want. This is one of the most important parts of Tinkercad, because getting comfortable with movement and scaling will help you with every future design. Next, if you want to build a more interesting model, add another shape. You can drag in a cylinder, sphere, or another box, depending on what you're trying to create. For example, adding a cylinder next to a box can help you make something more detailed, like a simple robot body, a nameplate, or a custom part. Again, use the same tools to resize and move the second shape, so it fits well with the first one. Tinkercad is all about experimenting, so don't be afraid to try different combinations. If you want the shapes to become one solid object, you can select both shapes at the same time. To do that, click and drag a selection box around them, or hold Shift and click each one. Once both shapes are selected, click the Group button. Grouping combines the objects together into one design element, which is useful when you want a cleaner final model or when you're making something that needs to act as a single piece. If you ever make a mistake, you can always undo it and try again, so feel free to test things out. Now that your design is coming together, it's a good idea to rename it. Tinkercad usually autosaves your work, which means you don't have to worry about losing progress, but giving your file a clear name helps you stay organized. Look at the design title at the top of the screen and click it to rename your project. Use a simple name that describes what you made it, like First 3D Design or a Beginner Box Model. This makes it much easier to find later in your dashboard. And that's it! You've just created your first 3D design in Tinkercad. You opened the workspace, added shapes, resized and moved them, grouped them together, and renamed your project. That's the basic foundation of every Tinkercad project. And once you've done this once, you'll be ready to start making much more advanced designs. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.